Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Anika here at Magenta Butterfly Crafts, and I'm here with a haul video for you today. So I placed an order with Simon Says Stamp, and I just wanted to share what I purchased. I'm going to do some Valentine's Day cards, I think, some love cards, and I posted a Valentine's Day card in my last video, so feel free to check that out. I will post it somewhere here on the links. And let's get started. So first I have the I Love You die from Simon Says Stamp. So it looks like that. Alright, and that's it right there. So I think that's going to be a really, really pretty sentiment on a card. I love it. Love it. So I purchased that. And then I also got, and this is the first time I've ever got this kind of die. So I can't wait to try it. It's called Floating Hearts. And it looks like this. So I can't wait to try this die. It's gonna be awesome. So I saw a lot of cards on here. I can't wait to inlay it and have like colors going all through here. I'm really super excited about that. So I can't wait to do that. So that'll be one of my cards. And then I picked up, this is the Mosaic Heart stencil, which I think is super cute. So I'm going to have fun using that. That's going to be awesome. And then a sentiment die, which is called Handwritten Love. And I love the script. So it says, I love us. Thank you for being amazing. You're always on my mind. Forever friend. I really adore you. Your friendship means the world to me. I love you. You're so special to me. I love you more each day. Happy Valentine's Day. Perfection. So I really think that that is an awesome stamp set. I also picked up these sequence mixes, an Easter sequence mix from Pretty Pink Posh. And I liked all the pale colors on there for my cards. And then I picked up this mix from, it's called Party Girl from Little Things. So I picked that up. Then I also got, these are love notes. And they're part of the Susie watercolors. And usually every so often, there's a set of watercolor cards that come out. So, Be Mine, Hugs and Kisses, My Heart is Falling for You, Love, Your Love is Like Sunshine to My Heart, I Need a Bear Hug, oh, that is cute, You Float My Boat, Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I'll be yours forever. Now that's super cute. You're foxy. Love that. I'm nuts about you. So stinking cute. I love those. I also got this stamp set from Avery L. It's called Lovers in the Air. And I'm kind of bummed because I should have got the die set to go with it. But I want to try using this big heart with the Oxide Distress inks from Tim Holtz. So I really can't wait to try that. So I love that. And I love the open hearts as well as the solid hearts. And the clouds. Because love is in the air. I love it. Super cute. And finally, I got the Lawn Fawn outside in stitched heart stackables. So I got that. That's going to be fun. And I saw some great cards already with this. So super, super cute. So I got that. I also picked up or ordered the, what's it called? The Favorite Person, Simon Says stamp. You can look at the cards. Card kit. And I love how they have like an idea page. And I'm so going to case that card right there. I love this card. Super cute. Super cute. Love it. So it comes with cardstock. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the cardstock it comes with. Right? And then it comes with this stamp set called Really Like You. You're my favorite. I love that stamp set. I love the border. Super, super cute. I can see some really cute cards. Using that border with all the Distress ink colors in rainbow is going to be super cute. I love it. Super, super cute. And then it has some stickers from Crate Paper. And it's from the main Squeeze collection, I guess. Super, super cute. Puffy stickers. And then they give you some vintage platinum distress glitter dust. That'll be fun to use. And then some Delicata pink shimmer. That'll be cute and fun. And then you get some envelopes, a plain ivory envelope. And these 4 are shimmer. And I don't know if it's going to come up on camera, but they are shimmer envelopes, which are super, super cute. Love it. And finally, you get some papers. And this paper is from, I don't know. Does it say where the paper is coming from? 12 single-sided sheets from Pebbles Ink Forever My Always 6x6 paper pad. So that's what this is from. So you get this. Super, super. I like that. That's really pretty. I love this. I love that. Very cute. I like that. I like the from light to dark. I like that. Very, very cute. So that is my haul video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get a notification every time I do a video. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.